Today we're going to dynamically hide and show form elements of a form we designed in Figma. So we're going to use the Weavly plugin, which allows you to generate form elements and then also translate that into a working form. We're going to call it dynamic form, makes sense. We're going to be essentially asking two questions in our form. Do you like music? And if the user responds no, the respondents respond no, we're going to ask why not. So we'll need a radio button, not checkbox, we'll need a radio button, and we're going to use the short answer if they don't like music. So it's a very simple setup, but of course the point is to show you how to do it and not how to design it. I'm not a designer, so don't take my skills as a source of inspiration. So we have our element components generated here. We're going to remove our placeholder. We're going to start off with our yes, no question. Let's set that to fill to make it a bit better. And then we're going to add, of course, our why not question afterwards. So let's go ahead. We're going to ask, do you like music? Option 1 is going to be yes. Option 2 is going to be no. And option 3 is something that we don't need. Of course, we could start configuring our on hover states and all of this, but we're not going to do it. So design-wise, we're going to keep it basic. And if the user responds no, we're going to ask them why not. So that's the setup of our form here. That's it. Actually, maybe let's add a submit button. Doesn't make sense to have a form if you can't submit your answers. So there's this logic tab, which allows you to specify logical rules about your form. So in this case, what we want is, actually, let's go back. Let's first rename our form elements here. Let's call this one music and let's call this one reason so that we can more easily identify them in our rule. So we're going to call this the music rule. And we're going to say if music, so the radio button, is no, then we're going to show the reason question. We're going to create that rule, and that's essentially it. So let's go ahead and publish our form, copy the URL to try it out. Okay, so we have our form here. As you can see, we are not presented with the reason question. If we press yes, it's still gone. And if it presses no, it gives us the question. So I like science. Submit. And that's it. We have a form with conditionally showing and hiding questions based on the respondents. And of course, these results are available in the plugin or in the Weavly dashboard. It's as easy as that.